How to fix friend request failed error in Discord. Close the Discord app completely. On the desktop, ensure it's not running in the system tray. If so, right-click on the icon and select Quit Discord. Also, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC, find any Discord-related processes, and shut them all down.
If that didn't work.
Sometimes, the issue may stem from Discord's end, particularly if their servers are experiencing downtime or technical issues. Try sending the friend request again once Discord reports that everything is operational. On the left side, find the friend request section and select it. Make sure that all the options here are enabled. This also applies to the person you are trying to send a friend request, so you should notify them about this. If none of the above solutions work, it is highly likely that the person you are trying to invite as a friend does not wish to contact you and has blocked you. In this case, there is nothing you can do to bypass this block, and it would be intrusive to do so in this situation.